Okay, now that we have finally extracted aluminium through purification of bauxite and from there to electrolysis of alumina, now let us first of all consider the physical properties of aluminium. In this session, we are going to look at the color of aluminium or the appearance. We will look at the density, the melting point, the conductivity, malleability, ductility, reflectivity. Then we will look at the magnetic nature, and finally tensile strength, or what is called strength to weight ratio. Color. Aluminium has a silvery color, just like silvery appearance. It appears silvery. That is the color. Okay, density. Aluminium has a relative density of 2.7. This is comparatively lower. That is when you compare it with other metals, the density is lower. If you carry a piece of aluminium and carry a piece of iron of the same size, you will confirm that aluminium is lighter. That tells you more about the relatively lower density. Melting point. Aluminium has relatively low melting point when compared to other metals. The melting point is approximately 660 degrees Celsius. Conductivity. Aluminium is a very good conductor of both heat and electricity. Is a conductor of heat and electricity. Malleability means, being able to be reshaped by hammering into different shapes. You can see today aluminium materials are of different shape because aluminium itself is highly malleable. So the ability of a metal to be reshaped into different forms or shapes without breaking is what is called malleability. The next is ductility. Ductility is the ability of a metal to be stretched into thin wires without losing its structural integrity. That is, without being broken. Aluminium is highly ductile. That is why we have aluminium wires. In fact, Nigeria, the wire they use in Nigeria, the electric poles, the wire on electric poles are aluminium. So aluminium is highly ductile. Reflectivity. Aluminium is a highly reflective element. So this reflective property is useful in applications such as mirror and reflective coatings. Aluminium can be used to manufacture mirror and other reflective coatings for beautification. So aluminium is highly reflective. Aluminium is not attracted by a magnet, so it's non-magnetic. It does not get attracted easily by a magnet. So that is why aluminium is suitable for electronic and electrical applications where attraction to magnets is forbidden. Tensile strength. Relatively, aluminium has a high tensile strength. So let me just put it this way. Strength to weight ratio. Although steel has more strength than aluminium, aluminium has less strength than steel, but aluminium has lower weight than steel. So strength to weight ratio of aluminium is higher than strength to weight ratio of steel. And that is why aluminium is used in the manufacture of aeroplanes. All these things that fly in the air, because the same quantity of aluminium that carries the same weight, if you get aluminium and steel, it will take half of the weight of aluminium to carry the same quantity that steel can carry. So that is why aluminium has an application in aeroplane parts, you know. That is why. So these are the physical properties of aluminium. Next is chemical properties. How aluminium reacts, how it undergoes different chemical changes when it comes in contact with other chemicals. I hope you got value. If you did, please comment, follow, and share.